Welcome back to my channel. Fam, let's make couscous. This is 500-gram couscous. Here I have soft chicken. That's the soft chicken I'll prepare. I'll start by adding my chicken in the pot. Season the chicken. I have my green seasoning here. That is my green seasoning. This is ginger, garlic, parsley, a lot of different things, but all natural ingredients. Season with anything you have. Then I'll add pepper. This is pepper. That's salt to taste. Bay leaf. Crayfish seasoning stock. Thyme. This is curry. Use any seasoning you can tolerate, as I said before. Now add mangi. I'll put it in the gas for the chicken to bring its own water before I'll add water. Here is my onion. I forgot to add it, so I'm adding it now while it's on the fire. The chicken sauce is what I will use to prepare the couscous. So I'm going to add enough water later. I'll stir it. I'll cover it up. So I'll be adding vegetable on the couscous. So this is the choice of vegetable. Lettuce. If you want to add vegetable, use any vegetable of your choice. If you don't want to add vegetable, you leave it. Sometimes I do add, sometimes I don't add. If you use lettuce for your couscous, it's so delicious. Thank you so much for all your support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for commenting. And thank you for joining the family. I'm sure you will like it here. Thank you so much. The chicken has cooked 70%. So it's time to put it in the oven. I'll mix paprika and turmeric with oil. This is used oil. I use it to fry fish. That is paprika, turmeric. I'll mix it together. I'm not putting too much spices because I've already seasoned the chicken before cooking it. So I'll add again crayfish seasoning powder. I'll mix. Here is the chicken. I'll coat it with the mixed spices, then put it in the oven. The chicken is ready to go in the oven. Then we'll proceed with the couscous. Chicken sauce. After taking the chicken off from the pot, so I will allow it to boil. Immediately to boil, I'll add couscous and add the lettuce. Here's the sauce is boiling. I'll add the couscous in, turn it. I'll switch the gas off immediately. Then take it off from the gas. Immediately I pour the couscous. You don't allow it to boil. Once the water boils, pour the couscous, take it off from the fire. Then I'll add my vegetable. Vegetable is optional. After stirring it, I'll cover it up. I'll leave it in for 30 minutes. Then I'll cover it up. Let's check it if it is soft. Don't forget it's not on the fire. I have water I boil on my kettle. It looks a bit strong. I'll add water. Cover it up. Couscous is ready. You can see this couscous is not coming together. That is the perfect way to make couscous. Look at the chicken. So yummy, juicy. The chicken is yummy and juicy. Look at it. Yummy, yummy. Come enjoy with us. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in another video. Bye.